In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to Gmail. Firstly, open a new tab and log into your Zoho Mail account. Click the gear icon at the top right corner of the Zoho Mail page. From the menu, select Mail Accounts. Leave this tab open for now. Now open a new tab and log into your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Accounts and Import tab. Now under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click on Add an Email Account. In the pop-up window, enter your Zoho Mail email address and click Next. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account POP3 and click Next. In the next window, enter your Zoho Mail username and password. You'll also need the POP server information from the Zoho Mail settings. Once you've entered the necessary details, Gmail will start receiving emails from your Zoho Mail account, and you can access your Zoho emails directly within Gmail.